Awesome. Now on to metrics. So metrics is going to be your home base for tracking business performance and measuring your business health. There's 16 metrics out of the box that you can use, but you can also build custom metrics too that incorporate operational data, non-financial data, and we call those custom drivers. We'll get to that in a second. For now, let's just focus on a high level. So we have our metrics already out here on the page. We can change the date range we're looking at these metrics by. So maybe we look back to February 21 to February 22. We can go to just this fiscal year, last fiscal year, or past 12 months. But we can also customize this dashboard. So one way to do that would be clicking Customize Metrics and going and hiding any metric that we don't need to be looking at right now. Right? We don't want to overwhelm our client. We don't want to overwhelm anybody on our team that we're sharing this metrics dashboard with. So we want to make sure we're only including pertinent metrics here. We can go to our select metrics to see what metrics we've built out before, and you'll see your stock metrics here too, the 16 that are already out of the box. But let's say we want to add a new metric to our dashboard that hasn't been built out yet. How we're going to do that is we're going to go to Add Custom Metric up here in the top middle. And let's go ahead and track something like revenue per employee. Now that incorporates both financial information that's brought in from your underlying accounting source, as well as operational data that's through a custom driver in Clockwork. So let's just walk through this. We're going to go ahead and add in our total revenue, and we're going to put that over headcount. But if I go to custom drivers here, I see I don't have headcount yet. So what I'll do is I'll create a new custom driver. I'll call this headcount. This unit is a number and it behaves as a balance, and we'll save and we'll add it to our formula. And there we go. We've now built out our revenue per employee formula. Now, a really cool aspect of this feature in Clockwork is we actually don't have to go back to settings in order to update our custom drivers. We just go to our metrics dashboard. We see the metric revenue per employee that we're leveraging our custom driver called headcount, and it has an orange dot in the top right. If we hover over, it says there's missing data. We can go update data. And now we can go ahead and update our actuals for that particular driver so it doesn't interrupt our workflow. So I can just do 40 employees. We'll say this is consistent across the board, same value each month. And we'll go ahead and save. And there we updated our driver and thus updated our formula, our custom metric.